Hello everyone, today I am going to explain the difference between primitive and reference data types in Java. This is one of the most important and commonly asked concepts in Java interviews. I will explain it in the simplest way so that even someone who has just started programming can understand it. In Java, data types are like categories of the data. There are mainly two categories: primitive data types which hold actual values, reference data types which hold memory addresses or references. So the big idea is primitive is equal to value itself, reference is equal to address of the object. Primitive types are the basic building blocks of Java. For example, int, float, char, boolean. They are simple. They directly store the actual value in memory. They are faster and memory efficient. Example, if I say int x is equal to 10, here 10 is stored directly in memory. Reference data types. Reference types are a little different. Examples are string, arrays, classes. They don't store the actual value. Instead, they store the address of where the object is kept in memory. You can also call methods on them. Example, if I write string name is equal to TechIgnite, name is not storing the word TechIgnite directly. It is storing the address where TechIgnite is kept in memory. Let me explain with a real life example. Primitive types are like buying a real product like a laptop, phone or book. You directly have the item in your hand. Reference types are like an Amazon gift card. The gift card itself is not the product. It is just a reference which you can use to get the actual product later. So primitive are direct and reference are indirect. Let's see a small Java example. Int primitive type is equal to 10. String reference type is equal to TechIgnite. Here primitive type stores the number 10 directly, but reference type stores the address of the TechIgnite string in memory. When we print, we get primitive value is equal to 10. Reference value is equal to TechIgnite. This shows clearly how they behave differently. Finally, here a quick comparison table. Storage. Primitive stores actual values, reference stores addresses. Examples: primitive, int, float, char, reference, string, arrays, classes. Performance: primitive is faster, reference is slower. Methods: you can't call methods on a primitive values, but you can on reference types. So this table makes it easy to remember the differences for interviews. So to summarize, primitives is equal to direct values and faster. References is equal to addresses to object can use methods. This is the basic but very important difference in Java that every programmer must know. Thank you. Subscribe for more.